Yeah, and so we continue to
Saying we had an 87 mile an hour gust.
east at a good clip, 45 miles an hour. So any one particular point is probably only going to see the threat of severe weather for about 30 minutes. But it's going to be quite intense.
That was an incredible gust. It sounded like a freight train.
Moves through. That's a live look.
I'm surprised our fence up held.
Airport tower
I
camera.
was sitting there trying watching that fence going, it's the fence is just.
Blowing through.
Well, if there's more coming, it may come down.
County lines there. You can see our camera really blowing around a lot, and it may
Did you
have
see the
position
street
now.
signs were blown
Yeah,
down?
street signs are down.
For the rest of the day today.
Yeah, we're not going to be able to use that one anymore. The winds.
Hey, they just lost one of their cameras.
alignments. So,
See, there's more coming. That's. Look at what's coming.
That's as bigger than what we just had.
and there's the leading edge. Again, it's
We're
moving
right
out
here.
on the Dallas-Tarrant County line, and we're going to see wind gusts that could be.
That's what's coming.
60
All the
to
animals
maybe
are
as high
in
as
the
80
closet.
miles an hour.
80 miles an
We're
hour.
going to continue to see. We've had already
All
over
right.
70,000 power outages.